Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to compute the mean of columns in a numpy array. Numpy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing, and it provides a variety of functions to work with arrays and matrices. What is mean? The mean, or average, is a measure of central tendency that is calculated by summing all the values in a dataset and then dividing by the number of values. In the context of a numpy array, we can compute the mean of each column easily. Prerequisites. Make sure you have numpy installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. Computing mean of columns in numpy. Here's a step-by-step guide to calculating the mean of each column in a 2D numpy array. 1. Import numpy. First, we need to import the numpy library. To create an array, we'll create a 2D numpy array, matrix, with some sample data. 3. Calculate the mean. Use the np.mean function with the appropriate axis argument to calculate the mean of columns. Code example. Let's implement this step by step. Explanation of the code. Importing numpy. We start by importing the numpy library. Creating the array, we define a 2D array called data using np.array. This array has 3 rows and 3 columns. Calculating the mean, we use np.mean, data, axis equals 0, to calculate the mean across the columns. The axis equals 0 argument specifies that we want to compute the mean for each column. If you wanted to compute the mean for each row, you would use axis equals 1. Printing the results, we print the original array and the calculated means for clarity. Output. When you run the above code, you should see the following output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've learned how to compute the mean of columns in a 2D numpy array using the np.mean function. This is a fundamental operation in data analysis and can be very useful when working with datasets. You can easily adapt this approach to larger datasets and different dimensions as needed.